Have you ever want to make a base for your Robo ESP32 using TinkerCAD? You do, but don't know how to? Well, let's learn to convert a step file to STL file and edit using TinkerCAD. Let's convert a step file to STL file. We'll be using the Robo ESP32 for this tutorial. Go to Citron's webpage and search for the Robo ESP32. Scroll down to Resources and click on 3D CAD. In the Google Drive, there are 4 files. 2 are for Fusion 360, and 2 more are for any CAD software. Download the Robo ESP with Node MCU ESP32 file. Now in your web browser, look for a step to STL converter. We will be using this converter. Upload the step file. Once completed, this should show. Now download this STL file. Next, in your web browser, look for ThinkerCAD. Click into ThinkerCAD. Now let's sign up an account. Fill in your personal information, and once done, log in. Once logged in, find the Create button and select 3D Design. Now extract that zip file. Import the STL file into your ThinkerCAD. Now, let's create a simple base for our Robo ESP32. Drag and drop a cube from the sidebar, and now adjust the base of the cube to fit the Robo ESP32. Drag a cylinder and adjust it to fit the screw hole of the Robo ESP32. Add a cube to raise the ESP32. Use the Align feature to center your drawings. Finally, group them and you're done. For more information, check out the description below.